Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add an image gallery in WordPress website by using Spectra page builder. Make sure that you have installed Spectra plugin. Let me show you in the plugin sections, and here you can see the list of installed plugins, and I have installed this one, Spectra. So now I want to create a new page. And here I want to name this page gallery. Then click on plus button. After that, let me add a new container. Then here I want to add one column row. After that, search for gallery. So you can find out different options. Just drag this one. And after that, select images. So you can directly upload images from your laptop. Then here you can see I have different images here. So I want to select from here. And I have selected 4 images. Then click on create new gallery, then insert gallery. Now scroll down, and here you can select the gallery type, grid, carousel, as well as masonry. And then you can change image size, thumbnail, medium, large, full size. Then you can also set number of columns. So at this moment I have 4 images, so I want to select 2 columns in one row. And then scroll down, and here you can set the click event. So I think light box is recommended. You can select the pagination, so that is if you have more images. And for the captions you can enable, disable. Here you can see there is no caption, so that looks good. Then go to style tab, and here you can apply some hover effects, and you can also add a border around the image. For example, here you can see I have added a solid border. You can increase border width. So I want to remove. Then scroll down. You can increase gap between the images, as well as here you can see other spacing options. After that, click on the publish button. So now let's see how it looks. Click on view page, and after that here you can see the final result, how it looks. So you can go on the images, and every image have a zoom effect.